This is an American pulverizer company, Hustler Conveyor Company 60 by 85 1500 horsepower automobile and heavy-duty scrap shredding system. The system is built around the American Pulverizer Company 60 by 85 automobile and scrap shredder. This 60-inch diameter mill is capable of processing whole and logged automobiles and much of the same materials typically shredded in larger machines. The 60 by 85 shredder is capable of processing in excess of 30 TPH of all the miscellaneous scrap iron typically available. The machine is driven by a 1500 horsepower AC wound induction motor with a liquid rheostat and GE Multilin starter package for optimum operation in production. The machine, feed chute, and feed roll assemblies are all mounted on a common structural skid and supported by a vibration isolation package to eliminate impact and resonance to the foundation surrounding the mill. The machine contains a Spyder-designed rotor with Spyder caps and end disc caps to maximize rotor life. The components are shrunk onto a square to round patented rotor design for maximum rigidity and long life. The 60 by 85 is also equipped with a reject door in the upper housing to immediately remove unshreddables, which is very important when operating a 60-inch diameter mill. The material drops onto a Hustler Conveyor Company vibratory under-mill conveyor and discharges onto a flat idler belt up to the magnetic separation system. The system is designed around two 42 by 60 rotary drum magnets. These are the new electromagnetic axial pole magnets that optimize the removal of non-ferrous materials from the ferrous stream. The material is grabbed by the first magnet and discharged onto a shaker that introduces materials to the second rotary drum magnet for further cleaning. The waste material is then discarded out to the stacking conveyor. The takeaway conveyor has a motorized undercarriage so the operator can move the conveyor for stockpiling or unloading into trailers or rail cars. Mounted on the stacker are two pick stations for removal of copper materials and any miscellaneous rubber or rags. The non-ferrous material is discharged onto a flat idler conveyor that brings it up to the diverter chute. This conveyor has a magnetic head pulley for removal of any ferrous materials that may have been caught up in the non-ferrous stream. The diverter chute allows us to run online to our eddy current system, or offline if desired. This chute has a diverter gate that can be automatically actuated for either online or offline processing of non-ferrous materials. When running online, the material is discharged onto the vibratory feeder that allows us to meter the material to the eddy current separator, and also gives us an opportunity to rerun the material or introduce some non-ferrous material to the eddy current system without running them through the main shredder line. The material discharged from the vibratory feeder drops onto a flat idler belt that takes it up to the elevated eddy current separator. This conveyor is equipped with a magnetic head pulley as well, which allows for final removal of any ferrous pieces that have been missed at other magnetic separation devices. The final discharge is onto a vibratory feeder that meters the material to the eddy current separator. This is the Hustler Conveyor Company B32 drop nose eddy current separator, and materials such as aluminum and copper are discharged off of the eddy onto a roll with the dirt and other fluff materials, as well as stainless and leads, which are discharged onto a belt and over to a fluff pile. The high rate of return on the clean and separated copper and aluminum product make the eddy current separator a key component in maximizing the amount of profitability from a shredding system.